Welcome to Kumara Bhavanam kitchen. We are going to see how to prepare sambar powder on all-in-one powder. That is, I am using all this same powder for all types of cookings. Okay, I have taken half kg of dhania seed. You should be get dried well in the sunlight. Okay, then mustard seed. This is fennel seed. 1 handful of curry leaves. 3 to 4 spoon of asafoetida, then 50 gram cashew nut, 100 gram jeera, cumin seed, that is methi seed. Okay, then black pepper and tur dal. I have put all the ratios grams in the recipe. Okay, ingredients: chana dal, moong dal, chili, red chilies. I have take only 12 pieces. You can also take 20 to 25 if you had more hot mirchi. Okay, that is raw rice, urad dal. These are the ingredients. You just want to fry all the ingredients without oil. Okay, fry it at a time. Don't fry. You take little dhania seeds. Just fry it in a low flame. Like this, you add all, you fry it, all the items, that is the ingredients. Just fry it in a low flame. Don't use high flame, then it will be grown for dark brown color like that. It should be fried till you get good fragrance. The dal should be turned into a light brown. Okay, all the dals should be brown, turn into brown color, light brown, not thick brown. See, just fry it. The dals are used to give thickness to the sambar or all types of sabjis, even vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Anything you can keep within one masala itself. So rice should not be turned into brown. Just to heat it, rice will, that's all, it will get soon fried. It should be white only. Mustard seed. Just fry all the things. Don't add oil. This masala will be more useful for you. Sambar also will be very tasty. You don't go for another masala powder, anything. Whatever you want, you can keep this with same masala powder itself. All types of sabjis, then kulambu, whatever you can keep. Okay, curry leaves, you should not use more flame. Okay, just to fry 3 times or 2 times, then you just, okay, now you add asafoetida in with this itself. Then have to off the flame, because that heat itself more than enough for the kadai. Whatever heat is in that itself more than enough. Okay, just off the flame, because that asafoetida will turn brown. It will not be not tasty. Okay, let it cool, all the fried ingredients. Then you can grind it in the mixer grinder itself. You can grind in mixer itself. Okay, I'm just powdering. Then you filter it like this. It should be a fine powder. Then remove all this residues and all. Now the masala powder is ready. Just try it and post your replies. It will be very nice. Try it. I'm using more than 10 years. Okay, these are all the ingredients. Just try it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel.